In this video, I will tell you that how to bookmark a tweet on Twitter. So here I have the Twitter application opened up. So let's like bookmark some tweets here. So in order to bookmark a tweet, you will need to share the tweet. Okay, so you will tap on the share icon here, and once you tap on the share icon, you will see this option here right next to the copy link, which is bookmark. So I will tap on bookmark. Okay, so now on the top you see tweet added to your bookmarks. Okay, so let's add some other tweets here. Let's add this one. Tap on the share icon and then tap on bookmarks. Okay, so now how you can actually like open up your bookmarks. Okay, so you will tap on your profile image onto the top left, and here you can see under the topics it says bookmarks. Click on bookmarks, and then here we have these two tweets that we have bookmarked. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.